Hello, today I'll show you how you can implement guardrails. So I've already created a chatbot. I've added web search, and I've also added a basic prompt. Now let's test it. But before we do that, let me show you all the guardrails first. So click on settings and then click on guardrails. You can see we already have some default guardrails. For example, hate speech, self-harm, toxicity, and a few others. Basically, if anything goes out of scope or falls under these categories, the bot will respond using the guardrail message instead of answering. All right, let's start. Click on Start Trial and then Start Conversation. Okay, as you can see, it's working as expected. Let me test a bit more. I'll click on Apartment. Looks perfect. It's working exactly as I expected. Now let's try something different. For example, let's add some hate or toxic content. Nice. You can see it responded with the message we configured in our guardrails. Let me try one more example. Let's talk about credit cards. Here again, you can see it's restricted. Now let's try creating our own guardrail. I'll click on Add Card. I'll name this one Politics because I don't want the bot to answer any political questions. Now I'll add some keywords. For example, politics and democracy. I'll also add a custom response message. Now click on Create. Okay, the card has been added. Let's test it. I'll ask a question related to politics. And as you can see, it doesn't answer the question. Instead, it responds with our custom message, saying it's a property agent and can't help with that topic. So everything is working fine. You can create your own guardrail cards just like this. You can add more keywords or even define specific patterns to restrict certain types of questions. Thanks for watching this video.